But yeah, we're getting ready to go to Animal Kingdom. This is gonna be my favorite time, or my first time going to Animal Kingdom since I was a little girl, since I was like 5 years old. So let's hope I like it. This is my first time going as an annual pass holder, and I've been a pass holder for like 2 years. This is a big moment, guys. Huge. What? You talking? What you said?
Are you even a content creator? You haven't been to Disney in years. I mean, Animal Kingdom.
And I said as long as
and it was my first time going on that ride in Epcot, like recently.
That blew my mind.
That blew my mind.
Wait, which one?
Spaceship Earth.
The first time ever going on it though was in April.
I haven't rode that either. The one in the ball?
Ever?
Yeah, I've never ridden that.
Ever?
Bruh, we are soulmates.
We're fake Disney content creators.
Fine.
Cancelled.
Yeah, I'll bring you guys along for our day. We're meeting up with our friend Aaliyah. We're crashing her family trip. That's like the whole reason that we're here. So we're gonna meet up with them once we get there, and we're gonna steal her babies. We're gonna take them for the rest of the day. I'll show you guys my outfit later. It's just basic, and then I just taking my fanny pack cause.
She stole that from me.
What?
I said first.
Said what first?
That you're far from basic.
Oh, love you guys. But I'm just wearing a fanny pack instead of a backpack because my back hurts, dude. I'm over it. Celsius count. This one's number 3. Again, peach vibe. Let's go. Yum. It is about to downpour, but we just got to Animal Kingdom. Alright, literally the only thing I remember about this park is when we went on It's Tough to Be a Bug, and the little ants like crawl behind your booty.
Yes.
That's all I remember from this park.
That was my first time in March, and I was like, what the fuck?
I think I sobbed on that ride when I was little.
I got you, don't worry.
Oh, thank you, Smoopsy.
You don't have to worry, we'll keep you safe.
We're trying to find Aaliyah and her babies so we can steal them. But look at the tree. I have not seen this view in a very, very long time.
You'll give him what?
I don't know if you can see that, but it is raining so bad. But we're in here to meet Safari, Mickey, and Minnie, so it doesn't matter. Do you want? Oh,
Video.
I'm gonna tell Jake.
Go.
I'm gonna tell him Mickey Kitty.
Yeah, I know.
The mouth yourself.
Don't worry, I will.
And then right over my shoulder, these birdies. Perfect. 3, 2, and 1.
Aww.
Got it.
Oh, you guys are too sweet. Stop.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Thank you so much.
Aww.
Okay.
Don't forget. I'll do it.
My phone.
I gave a phone to somebody.
I have it.
Excellent.
Did it work? That's great.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And it's raining again. That was so sweet. And there was a little baby girl in front of us. And
The little girl,
She
baby,
was
I will have a baby tomorrow
it
after
was
that.
so cute. But I don't know what our plan is now.
To get some
Okay,
food.
honestly,
Get some food.
I will never change my hair. I will never change my hair after this
They
trip.
love 'em all.
They eat me up and they call me Ariel, and every time I want to cry, literally die.
Too cute.
We're gonna get food.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna meet Aaliyah.
Yep.
I got the pulled pork mac and cheese from 8 Spoon Cafe, I think it was called, but it looks delicious. All right, again, I'm recording for YouTube and TikTok, so I'm sorry if I'm looking in the wrong camera. We just got lunch in Animal Kingdom, so I'm gonna try the baked mac and cheese with pulled pork. I've never had this one before, and if I did, it would have been when I was like 5 years old. So let's give it a taste. Wow. I think this is the best meal we've had all trip.
Someone give me a purse.
No idea where Aaliyah is, so we are getting our things together and we're gonna go on the safari. Yay. Hi Goofy! Hi Pluto!
Oh, you little kid.
Hello. Do you not love
We
me?
have kidnapped the babies, and now we're in Pandora. We're just taking pictures and trying to figure out what ride we want to get on. It is so pretty over here. My hat is on backwards. That means it's serious business time. We're getting, what's this ride?
Navi River Journey.
We're going on Navi River Journey. Are you excited? Yay! Woo! You like it, Mama?
It's the way the boat makes its hand
Wow! Can you say hi? She's nice. Can you say hello? Say hi, baby. Hi.
Are you saying hi, baby?
Say hi. Good job.
I love that one.
What'd you say? What'd you say? Hi, baby.
What'd she do?
Hi, baby. Alright, you guys, we just got off the Navi River Journey, and now we're gonna take some pictures and probably head out of the park soon. It is really, really hot, and it's raining on and off. So yeah, that's the plan for right now. Aaliyah and the babies are heading out, but we stole them the entire ride. They were all.
Oh, I gotta pee anyway. All in the vlog. I gotta piss.
Look at the flamingos. There was a kangaroo right here, but I don't know where it went. It was right there.
I think he's
He left.
roam
Oh.
throughout this whole area.
He's back there. I see him.
Really wild, but the nutrients are so good for our eyes.
It's all the way back there.
Wild colors. But birds come in all sorts of different colors. So my challenge to you
See 'em.
all, when you go home, is to find
And the flamingos.
what is your favorite
Okay.
color.
Remember when I told you guys we were leaving?
She lied.
I lied. We're on our way to
me
go
and all
watch
of you.
Festival of the Lion King. Being dragged.
I thought you told him we were going to see Lion King and we were supposed to take pictures, go see Lion King, and then leave.
Oh, well, maybe I told y'all.
Who knows?
But we're gonna go see Festival of the Lion King. It's hot as a mother.
Yeah, it's fucking hot.
I need like an industrial size fan to be able to survive this park.
I need
My
6 of
little
these.
$10 fan. It can do it in other parks, just not this one. It is hot, and I'm gonna keep complaining about it.
elephants will sing the weem away.
Is this thing on? Okay. Hello there. This is Timon. We hope you enjoyed the show. It was grand.
I'm just waiting for the all clear from our original species of antelope that hang out here on the reserve. Now the Nile crocodile has the strongest bite of any animal out here on the reserve, with a bite strength of around 2,000 pounds of. Also be very gentle. Does anybody know how a chicken incubates their eggs? Actually domesticated as a display of wealth. Whichever family in the area has the So, Boston Messiah giraffes patches have a bit of a rough edge. Their counterpart, the reticulated giraffe with patches, will have a smooth edge. Hanging out with the giraffes are some Hartman's mountain zebras, including the brand new baby zebras. Now these baby zebras are only a couple of weeks old, so they are brand new to the reserve. And look at how cute they are. As I mentioned earlier, no two zebras are exactly the same. Baby. I think we might be hanging out here for a minute. A massive migration all the way across Africa, and this migration can be anywhere from 500 to 1,000 miles across Africa, which is roughly the same size taking a road trip from New York to Florida. Doesn't that sound like so much fun?
No.
Has anybody made that trip before?
Yeah.
Oh, I have. To your left-hand side, you're gonna see some giraffes grabbing a snack.
There's so many giraffes.
Now, another way that we can tell the giraffe and the okapi that we saw earlier. Anybody know how flamingos get their color? Shrimp, yeah. So, any guesses? So the horns is one way, but the easiest way is actually from the shape of their mouths. So the white rhino has a wide and flat mouth, whilst the black rhino has a pointed mouth. Hanging out with the white rhino are some ostriches. The ostriches are the world. Now here is our white, teeny tiny, but they are fully grown, and they have a super neat adaptation, which is they have one stomach with 4 chains.
We found where all the Instagram girlies take their pictures. So we're back here taking pictures. It's like on your way to Asia from like where the Harambe market is. Super cute. 12 out of 10 recommend. There's literally nobody here. It's just us.
Do a little montage.
Insert music right here for the montage.
It's lunchtime. I have no idea what the place we got food at is called, but I got the chicken salad. It looks like it has like barbecue on it and pulled pork. Delicious. And I got a mango slush because it is 150 million degrees outside. I'm so excited to eat this. She just got a kid's meal. Guys, I'm gonna eat. Goodbye.